Orlando at the world's largest aviation maintenance event. Last year, me and my United base team won first place in our category, and this year it's going to be my last one, and going out with the band because my daughter's competing next to me.
I've been with United for 2.5 years, and I'm currently in school to get my airframe and power plant certifications.
To compete with my father is even more special. I've never done this event, and it was so cool to do, and just hearing Dad in the background is really what kept me going. More tears to come for sure.
I'm really proud of Samantha, everything she has accomplished. I just see myself in her.
When I'm practicing with my dad and all of his teammates, everyone is willing to help because ultimately, outside of the competition, one day we could be working right alongside each other.
Every day, people step on an airplane, but they don't really think about all the work that goes behind it. This whole week, we've come together to showcase what it truly means to be a technician. Being able to compete alongside you and having your support really means the world to me.